Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Chamcha token. Ticker symbol is Chax, CHAX. This is also known as Chamcha Bitcoin. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced recently on Bitmart's Twitter at Bitmart Exchange. It says, the moment you've been waiting for is here. Chamcha Chax is having a 72-hour flash sale live right now, and it's happening November 1st to November 4th. So you can check this out. It says 10% off flash sale. Total supply 123,456,791 Chax tokens. Let's make this launch epic. So right now they're having a flash sale, and then when this is over, this token will be listed on Bitmart. So you could just download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then search CHAX, the ticker symbol, and then buy the token. Now they have a Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there, blue verified checkmark, 28,100 Twitter followers, has a full link tree on their Twitter, also has a their webpage there, chamcha.io. And they're talking about their IDO going on right now and their pinned tweet. And the tweet under that, they just reposted the Bitmart thing I was just talking about. They did an airdrop on there before that. They did an Ask Me Anything. There's all sorts of cool tweets on here that you could check out. If you go to their webpage, you can find a document section, basically a full white paper, and that'll take you over to docs.chamcha.io. The first programmable liquidity of Ordinals, asset builder and provider in Web3. Build Ordinal asset liquidity. So Chamcha is a project dedicated to developing a robust infrastructure for the liquidity of Ordinal assets. It aims to create a step-by-step approach focusing on building essential core modules related to asset assurance, long-tail assets, and programmable liquidity. One of our primary objectives is to upgrade and launch an enhanced version of Unisat, which is a decentralized Ordinals financial platform. This upgraded version is community-driven and community-owned, offering a better user interface and experience. It aims to reduce network and trading costs, provide instant buy and sell options, with quick network confirmations, enhance stability and security, and introduce additional token incentives. So, Chamcha also plans to develop and add further modules to improve the liquidity of Ordinal assets. It emphasizes the importance of reliable open source and permissionless protocols for inscribing, trading, and investing in Ordinals. By building on Chamcha, developers can create innovative types of pools and decentralized financial applications within the Ordinals ecosystem. It aims to provide tools that facilitate the scaling of Ordinals and its expansion into the wider Bitcoin DeFi sector, particularly through Bitcoin Layer 2 solutions. So, they have their tokenomics available on their white paper. They have a roadmap. They have a media kit, contact information, talking about getting started with an OKX wallet, a Unisat wallet, transfer Bitcoin to your wallet, how to inscribe in Chamcha, how to trade BRC20s, If you're not sure what BRC20 tokens are, I've done a lot of videos on it. Basically, they're NFTs, like Ordinals are NFTs inscribed onto Satoshis, which are fractions of Bitcoin. So then they go over how to bridge the Chax token between Bitcoin network and Ethereum. Oh, even on their document section here, they tell you what is BRC20. And then they have APIs, the risks about like impermanent loss, all that type of stuff is available for you to review on here. So it says their motivation. The growth and potential of these sectors are often hindered by challenges related to liquidity and infrastructure. So the Chamcha team has identified several pain point problems with the Ordinals ecosystem and aims to address them, like lack of user-friendly access, illiquidity of long-tail BRC20 tokens, low capital efficiency. So they go over core blocks and programmable liquidity, smart inscribing, and BRC20 Minter, their marketplace. So they say the Chamcha's marketplace provides a better trading experience for BRC20 trading and is a way to trade closer to the BRC20 asset form itself. They go over the BRC20 DEX, staking portal, and bridging multi-chain. So let's skip down to tokenomics, though, for this token specifically. It says it has a bunch of use cases. So first one is governance. So you're going to have voting rights. You can participate in voting process and vote which direction you think the project should go with proposals. Liquidity rewards. You can stake the token to get more tokens. And platform utility token, basically used in the marketplace and all the other utilities I just mentioned. And now it's an ERC20, BEP20, and BRC20 token cross-chain. Total supply is 2,100,000,000 tokens. 68% of the tokens go to public sale, 12% ecosystem growth, 10% staking and rewards, 10% liquidity reserve. And then they have their roadmap, starting with synthetic collection, analysis, and interpretation of data on BRC20, generation of conceptualization and brainstorming and creativity, formation of the group of individuals with diverse skills, development of the roadmap. Then we got intuitive interface, design and development of functional landing page, integration of decentralized Bitcoin wallet connecting functionality, dynamic community growth, iOS and Android app, launching the inscribing interface, BRC20 marketplace, Bitcoin NFT marketplace, and then the pro version, Chamcha OG pass card on sale, registration of Bitcoin domain, Chax, Tokenomics, and IDO schedule announcement. And then we got the Chamcha Time NFT Carnival. And then coming up now is the IDO launchpad and centralized exchanges and listing of the Chax token on centralized exchanges, AMM swap V1. Then we got bridge BRC20 to multi-chain network, rare Satoshi system, minting portal, and then we got token burning program, staking pool, awareness campaign, cross-chain automated market maker swap, CLMM supported, weighted pool, liquidity bootstrapping pool, and linear pool. Check this all out at docs.chamcha.io, and you can find this token newly listed on Bitmart, and they're having a 72-hour flash sale up until November 4th, so go check that out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out the referral codes, leave a comment, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.